Dear students, today day 20 continuity topic is going on. In previous class we have discussed the concept and level 1 and continuity. Let us discuss level 2 sums today. Let us see the first question. F of x is equal to e power x minus 1 whole power 2x by everything he given. 16 power n the answer he given. So for x not equal to 0 a condition equation, and for x equal to 0 16 power n he given. F is continuous at x equal to 0. So limit x tends to 0 is the answer. So now you can calculate limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by 2 power n. E power x minus 1, e power x minus 1 whole power 2 power n. Whole power 2 power n whole by sin power n x by a. Sin power n x by a into log of 1 plus x by a into log of 1 plus x by a whole power n. Log of 1 plus x power a whole power n. Yes. Is equal to, this answer is equal to 16 power n. Now we need to calculate this limit. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 whole by x whole power 2n into x power 2n whole by, so x multiply and divide with x power 2n whole by sin power n x by a. We can understand this is as sin x by a whole by, here also I am writing x by a along with power n. So multiplied and divide with x by a whole power n. Now x by a whole power n like this into logarithm of 1 plus x by a, logarithm of 1 plus x by a whole power n. Here also I am writing x by a whole power n. So multiply and divide with x by a whole power n. Here x by a whole power n, here whole power n. X by a whole power will be getting cancelled. Don't make it get cancelled. Here also getting cancelled. Don't make it get cancelled, because it converted as a formula. We can discuss the formula. Limit x tends to, here you can write limit x by a tends to 0. Limit x by a tends to 0. Apply the formula. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1, and the same concept. Limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x by x equal to 1. Log 1 plus x whole by x equal to 1. Of course, the formula limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is also 1. So these are 1, this is 1. Now 1 into, we can understand x power 2n by a. Here x power n into x power n. This here a power n and a power n becomes into numerator. You can write a power 2n. This all value equal to 16 power n. So 16 power n. X power 2n get cancelled. Now a power 2n. So you can understand a power n whole square or a power 2. Like this you can write a square whole power n equal to 16 power n. N get cancelled. A square becomes 16. So a becomes 4. So a is equal to 4 is the right answer. Fourth option. Now second question. F of x is equal to x power n alpha he given. F of x is equal to x power alpha into cos of 1 by x. X power alpha into cos of 1 by x, and this is 0, is continuous. This function is continuous. So already we discussed that regarding the oscillatory continuous. Cos 1 by x, sin 1 by x are oscillatory continuous. Whenever you are multiplying x square, x cube like this, the function will become as continuous. So x square, x cube I said. So alpha here, according to the formula, here alpha greater than 0 to make continuous. To make f of x is continuous. To make f of x is continuous, alpha should be greater than 0. Whenever if it's alpha less than 0, it becomes infinity, does not define. So second question, second option. Now third question, x into f of x is equal to x into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x. X into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x. 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x whole by x cube. This is 1. X into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x whole by x cube. X not equal to 0. The value of a and b so that f is continuous function at x equal to 0. Continuous function. So the value x not equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 is given. This is x not equal to 0. 1. This is for x is equal to 0. Let us write here limit x tends to 0. F of 0 is equal to 1. So substitute here x into 1 plus a cos x. X into 1 plus a cos x minus b sin x whole by x cube. This value should be equal to 1. Whenever it is continuous, there we can say that limit also exists. So when limit exists, numerator becomes 0. If you substitute 0 here, 0, 0, of course don't substitute now. Now taking LHR, after LHR, L hospital rule, we can substitute. Limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus a cos x derivative, 1 means 0 minus a sin x, plus uv dash plus vu dash concept I am writing, plus 1 plus a cos x minus b cos x, minus b cos x whole by 3x square, whole by 3x square. Now you put 0 here. So that implies 1 plus, now I am writing numerator equal to 0. So numerator is a finite value. Substitute here, this becomes 0. 1 plus a into cos 0, 1. 1 plus a minus b equal to 0. 1 plus a minus b equal to 0. Verify any option. He is asking a and b both. Values of a and b. Verify third option. Verify third option, minus 5 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So 1, this is minus 5 by 2, minus of minus plus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 5 plus 3, 0. So verified third option. Third question completed. Let us see fourth question. Fourth question. F of x is equal to a square cos square x. A square cos square x plus b square sin square x. F of x equal to a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. That is x less than 0 concept. X less than or equal to 0. Next, e power ax plus b. E power ax plus b is the x greater than 0 concept. Now E is continuous. So you can understand LHL equal to RHL. LHL equal to RHL. So limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to limit x tends to 0, f of x. Directly we can substitute 0. It becomes a square into 1 plus b square into 0. No need to calculate e power b. Now according to our options, apply log both sides. So to log a square becomes log a power m formula m log a. 2 log a is equal to b log e. It is nothing but b. b log e base e. So because a square is there, maybe he given as modulus. 2 log mod a is equal to b is the correct answer. First option. Now fifth question. 1 by x. Let us see fifth question. Fifth question, f of x is equal to 3 by x square into sin 2x square. 3 by x square into sin 2x square. The condition is x less than 0, so negative neighborhood, and x square minus 2 x square plus 2x minus c. X square plus 2x plus c, x square plus 2x plus c by 1 minus 3x square. 1 minus 3x square, x greater than 0, x greater than equal to 0. Next one 0 if c x is equal to 1 by root 3 is continuous. In order that f is continuous, the value of c. So he given that f is continuous. So LHL equal to RHL we can write. LHL equal to RHL, limit x tends to 0. Take this one, 3 into sine of 2x square. 3 into sine of 2x square by x square total we can write is equal to limit x tends to 0. X square minus 2x square plus 2x plus c whole by 1 minus 3x square. Here using Friend's rule you can write this one as 3 into 2 is equal to directly substitute the value 0 instead of x. So c is equal to 6. Yes, c is equal to 6 is third option. Now fifth question completed. Let us see sixth question. Sixth question. F of x is equal to minus 1. F of x is equal to minus 1 x less than 0. Minus 1 x less than 0. 0 if x equal to 0. 1 if x greater than 0. And g of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. G of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. The points of discontinuity of f circle g of x. Points of discontinuity. Points of discontinuity of f circle g of x. That can be understood as f circle, that implies f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. So f of g of x means f of sin x plus cos x. F of sin x plus cos x. Let us write sin x plus cos x as by multiplying and dividing with root 2. Root 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. Multiply and divide with a cos theta plus b sin theta. Whenever the formula is a cos theta plus b sin theta or a sin theta plus b cos theta, we can multiply and divide with root of a square plus b square. A is 1, b is 1, root of 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. We have multiplied and divide. Why? Because this will be in the form of same a single function. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b concept. So it can be understood as sin of x plus pi by 4. Sin of x plus pi by 4. So now f circle g of x, this is of the form sin of x plus pi by 4, root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 4. According to options, the position, let us verify about continuity and discontinuity. Let us draw a graph. He is asking 0 to, let us see the question, he is asking the continuity 0 comma 2 pi. In 0 comma 2 pi. Let us draw the graph. Let here take 0, pi by 4, 0 comma 2 pi, 0, pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 by 4, like that we will verify the values. 0, pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, 8 pi by 4. 8 pi by 4 is nothing but 2 pi. This is x-axis, that this is an origin. Now substitute the value here, root 2 into f of, we need to calculate, let us verify. F of root 2 into sin x plus pi by 4, root 2 into sin, you substitute here 0, sin 0 plus pi by 4 becomes sin pi by 4, root 2 into sin pi by 4 means 1. So put here 1 and root 2, maybe the values 1 and root 2 and minus 1 and minus root 2. So at a 0, now we got the value root 2 into sin pi by 4, 1 we got, put here 1 here. Next at pi by 4, you substitute pi by 4 plus pi by 4 becomes pi by 2, sin 90 value 1. So here it is root 2. Next 2 pi by 4 substitute, 2 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 becomes 3 pi by 4. So instead of like that, we verify. Okay, let us draw the graph first of all, and we can calculate here. Now root 2 into sine. Let us draw the graph. F of, first of all, f of how much we got? F of 1. F of 1 means 0. F of root 2 into sine pi by 4, if I substitute pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. Sine 90 value 1. So root 2, x greater than 0, it is 1. So f of circle, let us write this one, 3 pi by 4. No, we need to calculate like this one. Just listen carefully. Root 2 sin x plus pi by 4. This is f of, we need to write f of. This is also f of. So at a 0, sin pi by 4 root 2 into f. At 0 here, pi by sin of 0 here, sin pi by 4, root 2 into sin 45, 1 by root 2, root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1. So f of 1 greater than 0. So 1 it should be there. F of 1 is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, then we got here it is right only. Now substitute here root 2. F of 1 means x greater than 0, 1. Next one, substitute pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 4 plus pi by 4 meaning sin 90, root 2 into sin 90 meaning root 2 into 1, so root 2. F of root 2, f of root 2 meaning x greater than 0, it is 1. Let us see here 1, here also 1. Now f of 2 pi by 4, f of 2 pi by 4 substitute here, 2 pi by 4 is 2 pi plus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 meaning sin root 2 into sin 135, 1 by root 2, root 2 get cancelled, it is 1, f of 1 meaning x greater than 0, yes. So here also greater than 0 meaning 1. Okay. Next 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 meaning 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 meaning 4 pi by 4. It is pi. So sin pi is 0. Root 2 into anything 0. Whenever x equal to 0, we given it is 0. Simply put here 0. Now sin 4 pi by 4. 4 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 becomes 4 pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. So pi plus pi by 4 you can understand. Sin 180 plus theta minus sin theta minus root 2. So minus 1. Whenever minus 1 x less than 0 you should understand minus 1. Next for sin 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 6 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 2 is sin 270. It is minus 1 minus root 2. So whenever less than 0 it is also minus 1. Good. Graph is very nice. Now 6 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 is nothing but 2 pi minus pi by 4. Again it is minus. So minus side it is minus. Yes. Good. Now 7 pi by 4 is substitute. 7 pi plus pi, 8 pi. 8 pi by 4 becomes 2 pi. It is nothing but 0. Wherever it is 0, it is 0. Now 8 pi by 4, 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi by 4, sin 45. So sin 45 root 2 into 1 by root 2, it is positive. So again it is going like this. Now you can understand that this is a graph without lifting the pen. This is a graph without lifting the pen. But here jump is there. This is jump. So where it is happening the jump. So it is also jump. Where it is happening the jump, there the function is not discontinuous. Here and here. Therefore, f of x is discontinuous. In that within bracket you write jump discontinuity. In 2 points. They are 2 points between 0 comma 2 pi. They are 3 pi by 4 comma 7 pi by 4. Very good question, students. This is an important question given 3 pi by 4 comma 7 pi by 4. Next, now 6th question completed. Let us see 7th question. So you should not forget that to understand the 7th question, you should not forget the values of allied angles. Now 7th question. Allied angles be 2 pi plus theta, 3 pi plus theta like this. F of x is continuous function for all real values of x and satisfies x square plus x into f of x. X square plus x into f of x minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 3 f of x. 2 root 3 minus 3 minus root 3 f of x. 2 root 3 minus root 3 f of x equal to 0. For all x belongs to R, then what is the value of f of root 3? For all x belongs to R, there is no question of domains with concept. For each and every value, this is defined. Multiply here x square plus x into f of x minus 2x plus root 3 minus 3 minus root 3 f of x equal to 0. That implies take f of x common. So x minus root 3 is equal to these values taken this side. It becomes 2x minus x square plus 3 minus root 3. 2x minus x square plus 3 minus 2 root 3. 2x minus x square plus 3 minus 2 root 3. Therefore, f of x is equal to 2x minus x square plus 3 minus 2 root 3 whole by x minus root 3. 2x minus x square plus 3 minus 2 root 3 whole by x minus root 3. What he is asking, at x is equal to root 3, for all x belongs to R defined, then f of root 3. F of root 3. So you should not substitute direct f of root 3. You can understand is equal to limit x tends to root 3 f of x. So I am writing L'Hospital rule here because here root 3 should not substitute 2. So 2 minus 2x, that's all. So 2 minus 2x limit x tends to root 3. Substitute root 3 instead of x. So it becomes 2 minus 2 root 3. They taken common and given the fourth option. 2 into 1 minus root 3. Now, 8th question. This is also important question. 8th question. If f is a, let f be a continuous function on R such that f of 1 by 4n equal to sin e power x. First write the question. F of 1 by 4n is equal to sin e power n into e power minus n square. Sin e power n into e power minus n square plus n square by n square plus 1 plus n square by n square plus 1. Then the value of f of 0. Find f of 0. We should calculate f of 0. Whenever we want to calculate f of 0, put n is equal to infinity. Because 1 by 4 into infinity, of course it is infinity, 1 by infinity becomes 0. So n tends to infinity, you calculate. It is better to calculate limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity sin e power n into e power minus n square plus taking common n square as the like this. N square into 1 plus 1 by n square. Here n square get cancelled. Whenever n tends to infinity, e power minus n square. E power minus n square tends to 0 because e power minus infinity whole square, e power minus infinity, 1 by, this is e power minus infinity. 1 by e power infinity means infinity, 1 by infinity becomes 0. That's all. So this becomes 0 plus, everyone know that as n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. So 0 plus 1 by 1 plus 0. So answer is 1. This is also previous JEE question. In our previous JEE questions they given us in 2014 or 15. Now let us say 9th question. 9th question. Let f of x equal to a into step x plus 1 plus b into step x minus 1. F of x is equal to a into step x plus 1. A into step x plus 1 plus b into step x minus 1. A into step x plus 1 plus b into step x minus 1. Where step x is the greatest integer function is continuous. So it is continuous. Step x plus 1 plus b into step x minus 1. Step x is the greatest integer function. Yet, yes, at x equal to 1 he given. At x equal to 1. So you write LHL equal to RHL. LHL equal to RHL at x equal to 1. I mean x limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Right, like this. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Limit x tends to, that implies, here understand what is the left neighborhood of 1 minus, example 0.9, 0.9 plus 1 becomes 1.9, 1.9 step is 1. So directly we can write a into 1, this is not a step, this is 1, plus b into 0.9 minus 1 becomes minus 0.1, step is minus 1, minus 1 is equal to, now substitute 1 plus a into 1.1 plus 1 concept 2.1, so this is a 2a, and b into 1.1 minus 1 0.1 step 0. Now you can understand a minus b is equal to 2a. This a taken that side, that implies it can be written as a plus b equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0, third option is the right answer. Next, 10th question. This is a previous JE question, IMP question. Just logical thinking is needed. F of x is equal to step of 2x cube minus 6. F of x is equal to step of 2x cube minus 6. Where step x is greatest integer, less than or equal to x, then the number of points in 1, 2 where f is discontinuous. So we know that to define the integral function or differentiable function, or where the limit exists, then what is the value given the intervals, we can understand that the value of x, it is the value of variable lies between the wherever the interval is given, 1 to 2, 1 less than x less than 2. Example, they used to give like this, 1 to 2 f of x dx. This meaning f of x may be x square or x cube by x plus 1 or x power 4 by x minus 1, like anything they can give. The value of variable less than lie between the value 1 and 2, upper limit and lower limit. In the same concept, we can write 1 less than x less than 2. Now cubing both sides, that implies cubing both sides here. Cubing, that's all, not both sides, that for all. 1 less than x cube less than 8 here. Now subtract, multiply with 2. We'll get like this, multiply with 2. Should write multiply by 2. So 2 less than 2x cube less than 16. Subtract 6. So minus 4 less than 2x cube minus 6 less than 10. Take step. Now consider, take step here. Step value. So step of minus 4 less than step of 2x cube minus 6 less than step 10. To substitute, to get the value, now define values I am writing. So what the value should be defined? Defined values. To get the value, step of minus 4, you can substitute minus 3. Minus 3.9 becomes minus 4 like this. Of course, minus 4 also, but is equal to is not there. Minus 3, minus 2 like this. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. 10.1 like this. 6, 7, 8. So total 13 here. 9. 10 we should not substitute. Until 9 only. Okay, enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13. Total 13 values. He is asking that where f is continuous. Then number of points. Number of points equal to 13 here. Third option. Now 11th question. F of x equal to sine of step x by x. F of x is equal to sine of step x by x. Sine of step x by step x. For step x not equal to 0. For step x not equal to 0 and simply 0 for step x equal to 0. That means LHL. That meaning he given as f of 0 equal to 0. So given f of 0 equal to 0. If you are taking LHL and RHL, it should be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then you can say that it is continuous. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, meaning sine of, example I am writing sine of 0 minus 0.1 by minus 0.1, any value, let it be k. Because sine 1 mean 1 degree 1 radian, 57 degrees 16 minutes. Maybe this is 5, sine of minus theta becomes minus sine theta, sine approximately 0 point something like this. Finite value I am writing 0 point something, finite value. Next RHL. RHL meaning limit x tends to 0 plus sine of 0.1 by 0.1. This is step 2. This is also, this is 0.1 step 0. This is, it is wrong, students. This is wrong. Wrong means infinity. Because 0.1 step 0, and this is a finite value. So LHL not equal to RHL. First of all, the limit does not exist. So whenever limit does not exist, it should be discontinuous. Yes, option 2, discontinuous. Option 2. Now, 12th question. X plus 2 mod y equal to 3y. X plus 2 mod y equal to 3y. X plus 2 mod y equal to 3y, where y equal to f of x. Okay, let us see that y greater than 0 you take, that is positive. X plus 2y equal to 3y. So x becomes y. So y is equal to x. It is nothing but the line passing through origin. Y is equal to x. Now y less than 0 you consider. If y equal to 0 also no problem. X equal to 0, it is simply y axis. Now y less than 0, so it becomes x minus 2y equal to 3y. So x is equal to 5y. It is also y is equal to x by 5 concept. Passing through origin, it is also a straight line. Every straight line is continuous without lifting the pen. Of course, each and every one passing through 0, 0, it is absolutely continuous. So, according to option, continuous everywhere. Continuous everywhere. Now, let us see 13th question. F of x equal to minimum of x comma x square. F of x equal to minimum of x comma x square. 13th one. F of x equal to minimum of x comma x square for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to R. Let us draw graphs. Let us consider x greater than 0. Example, I am writing 1, 2, 3 here enough. Here 1, 4, 9. 1 square, 1 meaning 1. X greater than 0, later x less than 0 also we can consider. Put 0 here. Put minus 1, minus 2 also. 1, 2, 3. Between 0 and 1 also you can consider. Just let us see the value. 0 square is 0. And 1 square, for our real number, 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Like this. This is 9. You can put here, this is 4, this is 9. To define the graph, I am substituting simple natural numbers. No need to substitute only natural numbers. You can substitute any real number, 1.03, 1.05, like this. Any number you can substitute. Between 0 and 1, if you are taking 0.5, this becomes 0.25. Here also you can put like this. Next, minus 1 whole square also 1, minus 2 whole square, minus 2, like this. You draw any number. You take any number. This is a continuous curve. Continuous on R everywhere. Continuous on R you can write. On real numbers, this is continuous. Without lifting the pen, you can draw the graph. So it is continuous graph. Okay, students, level 2 we have completed. Now let us see some important questions in level 3. So first of all, let us discuss previous JEE questions. Open page number 47. Page 47, 35 question. Let k be the non-zero real number and f of x is equal to, given the question f of x equal to e power x minus 1 whole square. E power x minus 1 whole square whole by sin x by k. Today in first class we have discussed that. Sin x by k into log of 1 plus x by 4 into log of x plus 1 plus x by 4 is continuous. Given the answer, this is at 12 at k is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0 here, and this is at x not equal to 0. In level 2 first question we have discussed the same concept. So limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x, put here whole square, so put here x. There we had written x power 2n. Same concept, you write here limit x tends to 0, sin x by k by with x by k I am writing here, multiply and divide with x by k here, into log of 1 plus x by 4, x by k he given, yes, log of 1 plus x by 4 by here x by 4 you write, of course into x by 4, this total answer equal to 12. Now this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, x square get cancelled. That implies you can write here 4 x by 4. So 4k taking into numerator, 4k equal to 12. So k equal to 3. Simple question in online exam mains 2016. Now using 34th question. Let us discuss 34th question. AB belongs to R, the function defined by f of x is equal to 2x square by a. F of x equal to 2x square by a, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Next one, a, 1 less than or equal to x less than root 2. Next one, 2b square minus 4b. 2b square minus 4b by x cube. Condition root 2 less than x less than infinity. He is asking a comma b. This is a very important, very easy question in mains online given. Limit, you can understand here limit x tends to, this is a 0 plus 1 minus concept. This is 1 plus root 2 minus. This is root 2 plus infinity minus. So limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. In the similar way, we can understand limit x tends to root 2 minus, this is left neighborhood, this is root 2 plus right neighborhood. Apply here limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x meaning 2x square by a is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Of course, it is simply a. So substitute here 2 by a is equal to a. 2 by a is equal to a. So a square equal to 2, a is equal to root 2. There is no question of minus because it started from 0. So a is equal to plus root 2 is correct answer. So total 2 options are there. Now let us discuss also limit x tends to root 2 minus left neighborhood of this one. Root 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to root 2 plus f of x. So that implies root 2 minus f of x is, of course, it is constant value a is equal to limit x tends to root 2 plus, substitute here students, directly I am substituting here, this is 2b square 2b square minus 4b by, you can substitute a root 2 here. Root 2 whole cube becomes 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Now, what is the value of a? Root 2. So, root 2 is equal to 2b square minus 4b whole by 2 root. 2 root 2 taken this side, it becomes 4. So, 2b square minus 4b, 2 root 2 into root 2 becomes 4. 2b square minus 4b minus 4 equal to 0. b square minus 2b. b square minus 2b plus 2 equal to 0. b is equal to, substitute, this is a quadratic equation, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a concept. Minus b, 2 plus or minus, don't think minus, everything plus root b square. So it is 4 minus 4ab. This is minus 2. Minus 4ab means minus of minus plus 8 whole by 2. 2 plus or minus root 12. Root 12 becomes 2 root 3. 2 get cancelled. 1 plus root 3 you can write. 1 plus root 2 minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Root 2 okay. Second option let us verify. 2 1 minus root 3 they given. 1 plus root 3 we are getting. There is no 1 plus root 3 proper option. B square minus 2b minus 2. Now 2b square minus 4 will be 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 becomes 4. 2b square minus 4b equal to 4. It is correct. B square minus 2b. It is also right. B is equal to minus b plus or minus, let us write b square minus 4ab. So 4 minus of 9. So 2 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So 1 plus or minus root 3. 1 minus root 3 is there. 1 plus root 3 is not there. Okay. If 1 plus root 3 is there, it is also right. Here single option is there. That is why only first option is right answer. Now let us see 33rd question. 33. Third question, the value of k. Let us discuss. This is an easy question. F of x is equal to 4 by 5 tan power 4 tan 4x. 4 by 5 tan 4x by tan 5x. Tan 4x by tan 5x. 0 less than x less than pi by 2. 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Next one, k plus 2 by 5. K plus 2 by 5 when x is equal to pi by 2. When x is equal to pi by 2. Now you can understand pi by 2 less than concept. So limit x tends to pi by 2. You can substitute the value, limit x tends to pi by 2. So tan, yes, limit x tends to pi by 2, 4 by 5 tan 4x by tan 5x. Tan 4x by tan 5x. So 4 by 5 power tan 5 pi by 2 means pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 4 pi, it is 0 pi by 2. Whenever you are substituting 0 by 0 concept, limit x tends to pi by 2, tan 4 pi by 2 meaning tan pi value 0, 4 by 5 power 0. Okay. So that is equal to k plus 2 by 5. So 1 is equal to k plus 2 by 5. Directly you can write 1 is equal to k plus 2 by 5. So k is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. Yeah, 1 minus 2 by 5. K is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. K is equal to 3 by 5. Simple answer. Here limit x tends to 0 by 0 is wrong. Pi by 2, tan 4 pi by 2. It is nothing but tan 4 pi 0. Tan 4x by tan 5x. Next, 32nd question already we discussed in level 2. Answer is directly 1. Let us see 31st question. 31st, 30. First question. Sin of p plus 1x. Sin of p plus 1x plus sin x. Sin of p plus 1x plus sin x by x. Next x less than 0, root of and to q x is equal to 0, root of x plus x square minus root x whole by x power 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 when x greater than 0. So what is the value of p comma q? Limit x tends to 0. It is continuously given. Limit x tends to 0. 0 minus is this one, 0 plus is this one. No need to calculate 0 plus 1, 0 minus. Here only we will get the answer. Limit x tends to 0 minus sine of p plus 1 into x plus sine x whole by x is equal to q. Now, using Freund's rule, you can say sine of p plus 1x nothing but p plus 1 plus this is 1. So p plus 1 equal to q. So p minus q plus 2 equal to 0. Verify the option. Option 2. Option 2, p value minus 3 by 2. P value minus 3 by 2, q value 1 by 2. Substitute here, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, plus 2. So minus 4 by 2, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So verified second option. Otherwise, if you want to calculate q separately, then RHL also you need to calculate by LHR, using LHR. So this is easy. Now, 30 question, easy method I will say step x. Step x into cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi. Step x into cos of 2x minus 1 into pi. Where step x denotes the greatest integer function, then yes, f is dash. We can understand that this is a continuous function. Cos x is a continuous function. Step x is not continuous function. Maybe oscillating method. If we substitute any oscillating. So for step x, without lifting the pen, you cannot draw a graph. So this is not continuous. One continuous function into continuous, not continuous function, using the oscillatory continuous concept. To get the continuous of a given, to get the continuous of function for oscillatory continuous, you have to multiply with the continuous function. So continuous into not becomes continuous function everywhere. He given every real of x. Next, let us see 29th question. 29th question, segnum of 2 sin x plus a. F of x is equal to segnum. Yes, Gn means segnum. Segnum of 2 sin x plus a. Segnum of 2 sin x plus a. So what is continuous for all x? Then the possible values of a. Continuous is discussed. Okay, segnum x meaning mod x by x. So 2 sin x plus a, mod, put here mod, by 2 sin x plus a is continuous is discussing. Segnum x is continuous for all x, then possible value of a. So condition is this is 2 sin x. According to fractional part concept, we can say here 2 sin x not equal to minus a. So sin x not equal to minus a by 2. So other than minus a bit, minus 2 sin x plus a not equal to 0. So sin x not equal to minus a. That's all. And let us, it's okay, keep aside. Also, we know that minus 1 less than, let us see like this, minus 1 less than sin x less than 1. Now substitute minus 2 less than 2 sin x less than 2. Minus 2 plus a less than or equal to 2 sin x plus a less than or equal to 2 plus a. So now you can understand minus 2 plus a. This not equal to 0. Minus 2 plus a not equal to 0 and 2 plus a not equal to 0. So the value should be lie between in this. So a minus 2 not equal to 0, a not equal to 2. And a not equal to minus 2 according to option. So a should be less than minus 2 and a should be greater than 2, or a should be greater than 2 or a should be less than 2. Just wait for a while. So in this concept also we can say sin x not equal to minus a by 2. So minus 1 less than a by 2 less than sin x. Sin x is equal to a by 2, correct. Just once again verify. 2 sin x plus a not equal to 0. It's okay. Sin x not equal to minus a by 2. Minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. That implies minus 1. Let us see this method. Maybe this is right. Minus 1 less than or equal to minus a by 2 less than or equal to. Here we should not write is equal to concept. Okay, less than 1. Then minus 2 less than minus a less than 2. Minus 2 less than minus a comma minus a less than 2. So a greater than minus 2. This is right. Now with minus symbol you multiply. Now you can understand a greater than 2, 2 greater than a. So a less than 2 and a greater than minus 2. That's all. A less than 2 or a greater than minus 2 is right answer. This is correct way. Now 28th question. You can see 28th question. Signum x cube minus x signum x cube minus x. So this can be understood as x cube minus x cube modulus of this one. Now denominator not equal to 0. To define the discontinuity, x cube minus x not equal to 0. Take x common, x into x square minus 1 not equal to 0. So x not equal to 0 comma x square not equal to 1. So x not equal to plus or minus 1. So 0 comma plus or minus 1. Yet 0 comma plus or minus 1 it is discontinuous. In the similar way 26th question you can do. 26th question. 27th, say 2 signum 2x. So it is called as removable discontinuity when because mod x should not be equal to 0. We should leave the point 0. That is why it is removable discontinuity. 26th, just simply hint I am giving. This is the last question of the limits. F of x is equal to 1 by x square minus 17x plus 66 and f of 2 by x minus 2 discontinuous yet x equal to for which values. Now you understand denominator not equal to 0. So x square minus 17x plus 66 not equal to 0. X minus 6 into, you can understand x minus 6 into x minus 11 not equal to 0. So f of 2 by x minus 2. 2 by f of 2 by x minus 2. You can substitute here 2 by x minus 2. 2 by x minus 2 you can substitute here. Instead of x, this one also. 2x minus 2 not equal to 2 by x minus 2 equal to 6. Let us write 2 by x minus 2. So 2 by 6 is equal to x minus 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 1 by 3. So x is equal to 7 by 3. Of course this should not be. So points of discontinuity I am discussing. 7 by 3, let us see the option. So here you should write like this. Yes. Also 2 by x minus 2 not equal to 2 by x minus 2 not equal to the value 11 you put and you calculate this value also. Also you can understand x not equal to 2 because f by 2x 2 by x minus 2 is asking. Whenever he is asking 2 by x minus 2 also should not be defined. So 2 comma 7 by 3 comma enough, complete. 24 by 11, third option you will be getting. Okay students, we have completed successfully limits continuity chapter. Let us discuss the differentiation chapter in next class.